Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Lamborghini Aventador in Need for Speed Payback. First, you'll need to advance through the main story. Specifically, complete the shift lock mission to ensure the car becomes available in dealerships. Once that's done, focus on accumulating enough in-game cash. The Aventador is a high-performance vehicle, so it requires a significant investment. Keep racing and completing events to build your bankroll quickly. After successfully completing the shift lock mission and gathering sufficient funds, head to any dealership on the map. Browse through the available vehicles until you find the Lamborghini Aventador. It will be listed under the supercar class. Double-check your current cash balance to ensure you have enough for the purchase. Once confirmed, simply select the car and finalize the transaction to add it to your garage. Now that you own the Lamborghini Aventador, it's time to make it truly yours. Head to your garage to begin customizing. You can upgrade various performance parts like the engine, turbo, and nitrous to boost its speed and handling. Don't forget the visual modifications. Change the paint, add decals, or swap out body kits to create a unique look that stands out on the streets of Fortune Valley. Experiment with different setups to find what works best for your racing style. For an easy method to unlock the Aventador, prioritize completing story missions as they often provide substantial rewards and unlock new content. Also, don't shy away from side events and challenges. They are excellent for earning extra cash and reputation quickly. Remember, consistent racing and smart upgrading will get you there faster. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your daily life easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.